14 Tango Romeo Charlie, separation Delta 60. Delta number 6 number 0. It's a French department activation. Department 60 in north part of France. I am located in 80 kilometers north of capital city. 80 kilometers north of Paris. 59, very strong air, no problem to hear you, my dear friend. Back to you, 302 Tango Radio Charlie 109 stroke Hotel Bravo 20. I confirm that the contact number for you is 97 for you. QSL?
Roger. Merci for me, 97. My name is Alex. Michael 302 Tango Radio Charlie 109 Flash Hotel Bravo 20. Progressive for you 302 Moroni. Confirm?
Yes, okay, I confirm 302, same as your DXCC number. Okay, no problem. 302 is a progressive for me, and 97 is a progressive for you. So all information are on internet. Marcin is my QSL manager. 161 TRC 104 Marcin is my QSL manager. So thank you very much for the contact, Alex. I think that it's not our first contact. Maybe I have made contact with you with an overcore sign. I am also 14 Echo Delta 055. All the best, Alex. Have a nice day. Good luck for DX, and hope to catch you again on 11 meters. 302 Tango Radio Charlie 109 separation Hotel Bravo 20. Alex, here is 14 Tango Radio Charlie separation Delta 60 Mike. QSL?
QSL. I'm sorry, Mike. QSL manager, repeat again unit number, but you.
Yes, my QSL manager is 161 Tango Romeo Charlie 104 Mr. Marcin. Mike Alpha Romeo Charlie India November. Marcin from Poland, Alex. QSL?
Roger. Mike, thank you. Good activation. Good day. Merci beaucoup, mon ami. 7351, au revoir.
73, Alex. Thanks a lot for your participation and for this contact. Good luck and good DX. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
До свидания, bye-bye.
До свидания.